I'm out of breath, y'all. I'm tired. Made it look too easy, buddy. Too easy. Damn. Woo, go, go, go. Oh, shit. What is that, that greasy, oily substance coming out of your back of your bike? All right, let's see if Shorty can fit in here. Good God, look at that suspension. You comfortable? You look good, buddy. You look good. You look real good. What the hell is that thing?
It's a bigger stick than it's, you know.
Damn. I need to set my game up.
Yeah, step your game up.
I feel inadequate right now. You broke it.
Take off this damn fucking tag.
I'm gonna return it.
You're gonna be stronger.
Look at the difference in these damn bikes. Don't you flip over yet. Let me check right here. Hold on. Let me check right here. Woo! Let me check right here. Hold on, hold on.
Yeah, I must have
Whoa, whoa. Sorry. Like a Can-Am, buddy. You're good. What's up, buddy? He don't want to get his feet wet. You got waders on too. Look at that sticker. That thing looks good. That looked real good on your truck too. You doing all right?
How are you?
Doing good.
Sticker? Yeah?
That swamp ass sticker right there.
I can give you a hug, but I can't.
Why you gotta be like that for? Why you gotta be like that? I'm gonna have to cut that part out.
Cut